Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings and tap General to start, then tap Picture-in-Picture to enable it. This feature requires iOS 14 or later and works on modern iPhone models. If you see a toggle labeled Start Pi-P automatically, turn it on now. When enabled, supported video apps float automatically when you swipe home. Keep this setting on to avoid repeating steps each time you use video multitasking. Play a video in Safari, Apple TV, or any supported app to begin. While the video plays, swipe up or use the home gesture to minimize it into a floating Pi-P window. The video will continue in the Pi-P window while you open other apps. Tap the Pi-P window once to reveal controls for play, pause, and close. Drag the Pi-P window to any corner of the screen to position it where you like. Drag the Pi-P window with one finger to move it across the screen. Pinch the Pi-P window to resize it to your preferred small or medium dimensions. Tap the expand icon to return the video to full screen whenever you need the full view. To hide the Pi-P window temporarily, swipe it toward the edge until only a tab remains. Use the X button to close Pi-P and stop playback completely when you are done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.